Hello there friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Cloud with Mohsin. How you all are doing today friends? Friends, today we are going to continue our last discussion, that is about KMS, that is which stands for Key Management Service. Okay, so let me just open up this PPT and see what we are going to cover today is we will perform some key actions on the KMS key that we have created in the last session. Okay, so let me take a moment to quickly introduce myself. I'm Mohsin Sheikh. I'm running this YouTube channel. I'm 2 times AWS and 2 times Microsoft Azure certified professional with around 15 to 16 years of experience in IT and under various domains like integration, operations, okay, then designing, etc. So this is quickly about me, and maybe I can cover maybe I can take 1 or 2 more minutes to share what we discuss in the KMS thing. Okay, so for those who have not gone through this previous video, I would request you to please watch that video, and then probably you can check out or continue watching this key actions video that is we are going to perform today, because it will enable you or clarify what is KMS and how it basically what are the fundamental things. Actually KMS is a managed service and it helps us to create and control the cryptographic keys, which is very important for encryption and decryptions. It's easily integrates with different AWS services like S3, EC2, Lambda, etc. And it is very secure and compliant, and we can use it in various things like suppose just to give you an example, for online transaction or to secure your transactions, etc. So encryption and decryption plays very important role. So please go through this video. I will also share the link with the description here, and maybe yeah, now I have just logged into my AWS management console. So here again where you will arrive to this is you can go to services, navigate to security, identity and compliance, then you can see KMS, that is key management service. Okay, so this is that service that we are talking about. So again, to recap, AWS managed services are something that AWS has created for us. AWS has enabled, you can see under status, and it has all the control by AWS, wherein customer managed service keys are something that we have created. Okay, so this one is the key that we are going to talk about, and we will try to see what are the different actions that we can perform. Okay, before going to do that, I can show you. See, this is the key. So under key policy you can see key administrator. We have selected lab ms01 as key administrator, and we didn't selected this option in the previous session, which will allow the key administrator, that is lab ms01, to delete this key. Okay, for key users we have selected X user. So X user can perform it can use this key for cryptographic operations, that is for encryption and decryption. Okay, now about key actions, you can navigate to this button key actions, and there are different actions. Okay, let me go back and I can select this. I can click on key actions, and now you can see we have enabled, disable, schedule key deletion, add or edit tags. So these are the various key actions which are right now we can perform. You can see along with that we have cancel key deletion and delete key material. These key actions as well available, but right now those are disabled, because we can perform the cancel key deletion and delete key material only if we have set this key for the deletion. Okay, right now you can see these things are grayed out, but it can be enabled if the key is set for the deletion, like that. First of all, let me just click on add tags, add or edit tags. I can click add tags, and I can put like environment. Suppose I can put as dev. Okay, we can put overall 50 tags. Okay, maybe I can add another tag like application. Okay, I can randomly give that, it is a track. Suppose this is my application name, and I can click on save changes. So now we have enabled the tags, and the tags can be seen under this one. Okay, we can again edit the tags and remove or add additional up to 48 tags. So that is about it. Now going back, let's see the other key actions. Let me select it. The status is at present enabled. Let me go to key action and click on disable. So disabling, so there is a notification, you can see disabling a key prevents you from using it in any cryptographic operations. Also, disabling might prevent you from accessing resources in AWS services that use this key. To monitor attempts to use the key while it is disabled, create Amazon CloudWatch. Okay, so it is recommending us, or basically it is suggesting, if we are deleting this disabling, so existing cryptographic operations like encryption, decryption, it won't be take place. Okay, again we can monitor to monitor attempts to use the key while it is disabled. So suppose if we want to see if we have disabled the key and if someone is trying to attempt it, okay, we can create a CloudWatch alarm for that. Okay, so this is something like we can ignore right now because we are just doing for the demo purpose. I can just click on confirm that you want to disable this key and click on disable. So as soon as we have disabled, the status is now reflecting as disabled. You can see it immediately, it has reflected. Again, to enable it, I can select it, go to key actions, I can click on enable. Okay, so immediately you can see it has enabled again. Maybe let me refresh this page, and the status is again changed from disabled to enabled state. Yeah, now let me just select it again, go to key actions, click on schedule key deletion. Now there is a notification here, deleting a key makes all data encrypted under that key unrecoverable. You can create Amazon CloudWatch alarm that alerts you about any attempts to use the keys during waiting period. So there will be waiting period. You can see you can cancel the deletion any time before waiting period ends. After waiting period ends, AWS KMS deletes the keys. Okay, it means, see, there is a waiting period from 7 days to up to 30 days. So I can select either 7 days or up to 30 days. Until that, the key period, so that its key deletion will be, that will be in the waiting state. It will show like waiting for the key deletion. But once it crosses 30 days, AWS will automatically delete that keys. Okay, so it won't be any use after 30 days. Another thing is, if we delete a key that is a data, if suppose there is some operation and we are using this KMS key, and if we delete it, then the data won't be recoverable. Okay, so that is another thing for just you to understand. Let me just select it 7, so that after 7 days I want AWS to automatically delete this key. Okay, so I have selected 7 as waiting period, and unless we reach the waiting period like 7 days or 30 days, okay, which is minimum is 7 days, maximum 30 days, I cannot select, you can see 6 days here. It will give enter a waiting period between 7 days and 30 days. Okay, so hence we need to select 7. Okay, and let me click on this confirmation button and click on schedule deletion. As you can see, the status has been changed now, and it is showing as pending deletion. Okay, so after 7 days it will get automatically deleted unless we perform any action. Important thing to note here is, once we have set it for the deletion, even we can cancel that deletion. It's not that we have set it for the deletion, we cannot do or undo that operation. For that, you need to click on select, go to key actions. Now here you can see there is a button cancel key deletion. So if you might have observed sometimes back, this cancel key deletion and delete key material, it was grayed out, but right now you can see cancel key deletion is enabled. Okay, so I can click on this one, and now successfully scheduled deletion for key, this one. Okay, so if I refresh this page, you can see right now it's automatically disabled, because since we had just cancelled that operation, but key is not set for the deletion right now. So to enable it again, I need to enable it. Okay, so these are the things. Apart from that, there is another action, delete key material. So if we want to deleting key material is something, suppose, see, it is kind of you can say there is a layered kind of thing. So the key material is one important thing. So key material is, even you keep rotating your keys, so key material won't get changed. Okay, but if you want, you can change the key material as well, or delete the key material. Okay, so for that purpose you can go for delete key material thing. Okay, so this is about some of the key actions that we can perform. Okay, and similarly, as we had covered in our previous session, we can create some new keys which will be listed here. Unless it is customer managed keys, it will be listed here. For let's see which are the things available for AWS managed keys. So under AWS managed key, let me just select Cloud9. This is one of the key. Okay, so here it is giving the notification, right? This AWS managed key is created, managed and used on your behalf by AWS service. You have permission to view AWS managed key in your account and audit their use in AWS CloudTrail. However, you cannot change any properties of AWS managed keys, rotate them, change their key policies, or schedule them for deletion. So guys, see, this thing is very important. So for AWS managed keys, we can just view cryptographic configuration, key IDs, etc. But apart from that, unlike what we did in the customer managed key, we, in order to disable, enable it, or schedule the key deletion, it is not applicable for AWS managed keys, because these operations will be performed by AWS. So it just for our, you can say, kind of just read only permissions for us. We cannot perform other operations like rotating them or changing key policies or scheduling them for deletion. Okay, so this point to be noted, this is very important thing, guys. So friends, that's it for today. I hope you got some learning about this session. Okay, let me, because see, I don't want this key again, so that I can just select it, go to key actions, schedule key deletion. Let me keep it as 7 days. Okay, let me confirm it and schedule deletion. Okay, so now after 7 days, probably I guess after 28th of December, this key will be automatically deleted. Okay, you can see the notification here, and it is reflecting status as pending deletion. Okay, so friends, I would like you to explore this service and understand how the KMS works, and believe me, you can expect multiple questions in your exam, be it is a practitioner or solution architect, associate, or pro level as well. So KMS will be always an important or focused area with respect to security and encryption and decryption operations, and ensure you got some good understanding of this KMS key. So that's it for it, friends. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is Cloudist Mohsin, and I really appreciate. Thank you so much for your time, and take care. I wish you a great weekend and Merry Christmas in advance. So thank you so much and take care. Bye bye.